Completed my background in diploma IT, and my degree was in electronics and telecommunication. I got my degree from Pune University, and currently
Your family background.
my father, we have a small scale business. We deal in micronutrients which are required for the crops. Is the agri based business, and my mom is a housewife, but she also helps my father. It is a family business kind of thing, and yeah, that's it.
Okay. And what are your hobbies?
Ma'am, actually, I love playing keyboard instrument. Yeah, I've given many exams also, and the most important thing was during COVID time. If you might be knowing the White Hat Junior platform, yeah, I had got an opportunity to teach the school students uh, piano notes. But due to my engineering admission, I had to drop. I was selected there also. So I just love playing, and I make time at least on weekends for playing keyboard.
Okay, so you are spending the time on
Yes,
your
ma'am.
hobby.
Yes,
as well.
yes.
That's good. So keep continuing.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, it makes me feel refreshed from the work pressure and
Yes.
studies.
It will be mentally helpful and motivate yourself.
Yes.
Pressurize or
Yes.
Okay, so this is your hobby. And how would you manage yourself when there is any pressurization?
Work pressure. Okay. And work pressure would always be there. Considering work pressure every day, I think I will try to make few minutes, at least few minutes in the evening every day. Not every day, 2 to 3 days, or at least on weekends it is possible because you can manage work pressure by managing the deadlines, making longer tasks into smaller tasks, and completing each and every task. So it is possible.
What are your key strengths and weaknesses?
Key strengths and weaknesses. Actually, ma'am, I think that I am like I can easily learn any new thing. I'm very much adaptable to new things, quick learner in short. And weaknesses is I try to focus on anything to make perfect, whether it is documentation or something. I need everything perfect. So sometimes it takes much time to complete one task. So I've noticed that it becomes my weakness, but I'm trying to overcome that. Yeah.
In which way you are
Supposedly considering that if I'm spending too much time on something like documentation work, I can use some templates or formats which will make my work easy to make the documents or something, version controls, etc.
Who is your inspiration?
Not specific as such, but yeah, I've seen my mom and dad working very hard. No one like that, and considering someone nationwide, I would like to suggest that I like to prefer Sir Ratan Tata always. He was the best. So
Why? Any example?
his his thoughts regarding his thoughts are the way he used to tell things was not restricted to any kind of age group. It is always useful for even school students, from school students to aged people. Regarding and considering a business scenario or according to business, there are many thoughts of him which we prefer in our business also, even though being it a small scale business. So that is what.
What is your short-term goal and long-term career goals?
Sir, my short-term goal is now that after completing this, I was thinking to take certification, like global certification in SAP, and I am trying to prepare for the exam also, global certification. And long-term goal is in the coming 3 to 5 years, I would like to see myself growing as a senior SAP consultant with much exposure and experience.
Okay. Why you want to join our company?
Like specific as such.
Yeah.
Yeah. Um,
In general.
yeah,
question.
like means it depends that the specific company what they are offering and how much like what other technology, how they are outstanding from the other companies in SAP, that makes any fresher think that being a fresher he or she will get more experience in such company.
Okay. And why should we hire to you?
Being a quick learner, being much easily adaptable to new things, trying to learn new things, and moreover, I am getting much hands-on on SD and MM as well as the advanced S4 HANA concepts also. So implementing that, I think I can make a good. Right.
Okay. What makes you different from other candidates?
Up till now, these SAP concepts, like first of all, I have done both the modules at the same time, so I have multi-module experience now, and I think that is for a fresher or entry level, that is enough to make me outstand other from other candidates.
Okay. And what are the leadership qualities?
Leadership qualities, ma'am, during my engineering and also diploma time, but specifically during when I was doing my degree, I had taken part in SIH competition, Smart India Hackathon, and I was the team lead